All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in to another episode. I just want to say, Joshua, this is a family tradition that I have had since I was a little kid. I want to keep it going. And when you're ready to start cooking recipes, I want it to be there for you. So just want to say Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy holidays. I'm keeping everything. This is my first time making this recipe that I can remember. So I left everything in there with mistakes and all. Here we go. It is a pretty forgiving recipe, so as you will see. Again, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys on the other side. And there it is. All right, kid, what I'm gonna do is get the KitchenAid mixer out. I'm going to cream the butter first. Then I'm going to add the confectioner's sugar, the 3 yolks, mix them together. And then at the very end, I will pour the scalded milk into, I remember her pouring it into the walnuts first. I don't know why, but that's what she did. Then I'm gonna take that and the flour and mix it into the creamed butter and sugar, along with the 3 egg yolks. And then we're gonna put it in an oven for at 350 degrees for maybe 20 minutes. I'm gonna start checking it at 13, just to be on the safe side. It should be dry and crunchy, but not burnt. All right, let's get the mixer. Oh. Okay. Well, I just realized I made a mistake. So we're gonna see how this comes out. That was actually flour, folks. So let's just go ahead and add this. I'm gonna take my milk. I'm gonna put and scald it. Put it in for a minute. I can't believe I did that. So the recipe on my little notes that I've taken from Grammy said mix all the ingredients together. So apparently with trying to rush through this, my mistake, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I put a 1/4 cup in for a minute. If I didn't record it, I just put the milk in there. Gonna mix it up. All right, where I said the dough I thought was too dry, it actually pulled together. So here, I guess I'm gonna add my eggs. I'm going to mash that down. That is about 2/3 of the walnuts. I guess it's ready. I'm going to stop it and I'm going to do it with the spatula from here on out because I want to see what it looks like. Looks like it's too buttery. I should be able to roll it out and press it into circles. Did your mother ever tell you not to eat raw cake batter? Good thing it's cookie dough batter. All right, let's go over to the oven. 350, center rack. Oh, good thing I did this. Told you, kid. Almost forgot. And that's what the cookies would go on. And she would roll out the cookies in flour, if I remember correctly. So this video is going as memory serves. If anybody knows me, that's a joke in itself. And I have the oven preheating to 350. Now, I took this one. Now that actually came out nice. I want you to see. I think I made that a little thin. All right, so now just take all the dough, mash it up, put it aside. If you remember how I was cutting before and then scooping up with a spatula, what I found is that if you just press and twist, it comes up, and you can see the thickness now. That's where I am with the thickness. I think that's about a 1/4 inch. Press, twist, and it comes right up. I'm going to go ahead and fill this last tray. Three, 4, and 5. Now, people, don't eat raw cookie dough. It's bad for your health, but don't do as I do. All right. That's it. We have 3 trays of 5 by 2, 4, 6, 8, so 40. So out of 120 cookies, like I said, we're going to have 60. So we need to do 60 with a little walnut crumb on top. All right, so I'm in like this, and I will cook the 3rd one by itself.
Itchy puppy.
All right, kid. It's been 15 minutes. And I think that is long enough. I'm going to pull them out. Actually, I'm going to flip it around. The recipe called for 22 minutes, so I'm gonna let them go a little bit longer. Actually, 20 minutes. So we shall see. We'll be back.
Rack, burners, black zone drawer. Are you not intrigued by these amazing appliances?
I am not.
Damn. Convection, convection, convection.
Oh, I'll be keeping that in the video. All right, Joshua, I smell the cookies, so I'm pulling them out.
What did you say?
I'm talking to you in the video, man.
I'm in the video.
You are now.
I'm trapped inside the machine.
It's the rage inside the machine. All right. Last tray. That was about 25 minutes.
Oh. Ah.
Reach in and grab. Yeah. What do you think?
I like them crunchy.
Well, they're not going to be crunchy by Thursday. They're going to be moist the way I like it.
They're very good.
Are they reminiscent of Grammy's Thanksgiving Christmas Eve cookies?
Yeah, they're better than
Yep. The second batch, I decided to cook it a little bit more. And you can see the difference. Josh, I just want to leave you with this. This cookie has a lot of great holiday memories attached for me, and I'm just grateful that there's going to be many more great memories attached to it throughout the rest of the years. I just want to say the one particular one is every year that Grammy would make these cookies, I would go on the hunt and the search throughout the house because she would hide these cookies on me because I would plow through them and there would never be very many left. One year, she actually had to rebake them because I went through almost the whole batch she made. It was good times. Anyway, everybody have a great, wonderful holiday, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.